Hi everyone! So this Chinese New Year, I thought I would show you all how to make a traditional Chinese cookie, which is the almond cookie. It's representative of good luck and fortune. So welcome to Everything You Smell in the Kitchen with your host, Annabel Yee. But first, we need to get some ingredients. Let's go. So we are here at Lidl's right now, and let's go get some ingredients. Very important. So as you can tell, Lidl has a massive selection of grocery items you can choose from. So let's get ready to make our almond cookie. So here are all the ingredients you'll be needing: flour, butter, sugar, almonds, an egg, almond extract, baking soda, and salt. So after you've preheated your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, you're going to want to whisk an egg, and put 1 tablespoon aside for later use. You are then going to want to cream together your butter and your sugar. So let's put this in a bowl. Next step is the almond extract and the whisked egg. You're going to want to beat those until they're well combined. Using a separate bowl, now we're going to mix in our dry ingredients. So that's our flour, baking soda, and salt. Give that a nice mix. Now you're going to want to slowly add this to the wet mixture. Now we're almost done. We're going to do next is taking our cookie dough, make balls of whatever size you'd like, and put them on the tray. You can either use a non-stick tray or line your trays with parchment paper. This next step you can do either by hand with the back of a glass or with a fork. We're going to just flatten out our little cookie. I have sprayed the bottom of this bowl with a bit of cooking spray so they won't stick to it. Now that we have our flattened cookies, we're going to take some almonds, put them in the center, and then brush them with egg wash. I've mixed the 1 tablespoon that we took out from earlier with a teaspoon of water. Now we're going to brush them with the egg wash. So we'll make sure they're nice and golden crispy on the outside. Now we're all done making the cookies. All we have to do next is put them in the oven for about 15 minutes or until they start to brown. See you then. And here they are. Chinese almond cookies. Hope you enjoyed this video. So 三零快樂，恭喜發財。